Greetings to all those who wanted to make a step towards development and increase their budget, and very much not recommend my channel if you are used to just lie on the couch and complain about fate.
Hello guys, so we are on the broker. On the balance we have $100, and from this amount we will accelerate our today's deposit. Trades will be opened as usual on a minute time frame, and all currency pairs with the most optional percentage of payments and volatility of movement I have already picked up, as usual. Today we have a universal trading strategy, guys, using such indicator as Donchian Channel, Fractal and CCI Oscillator. We leave the trend indicator and channel indicator with default settings. For our CCI Oscillator, we set the period 10. This is a very convenient, once again, universal strategy with which you can open transactions both on trend and against the trend. It's absolutely not difficult, and I recommend this strategy to use for beginners. In the course of my trading, you will understand how to open deals correctly. So let's start trading and choose our first currency pair. In this case, here we will open a trade on the upside. The main principle of this strategy is to find local highs and lows. In our case, we have a local update. The points of the minimum and touching the support area also emphasize and increase the winning percentage of our signal in our case. We see the touching of the lower sliding of our channel indicator and watch the exit from the oversold area on our oscillator. This is the main principle of opening trades on the upside. It doesn't necessarily have to touch the support area here, but if it does, I'll remind you once again. More increases the winning percentage of our signal. The last seconds we have left about the completion of the trade, and yep, our first trade was easily closed in the plus. Let's change the amount of the value. That is, I hope you understood the principle of opening trade on the upside. We are looking for a local minimum, touching the lower moving line, and should observe the exit from the oversold area. In that case, we open a deal on the upside. Let's now consider and try to find an entry deal on the downside. Let's start and pick up the following currency pair.
If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day, and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners.
Look, let's consolidate our results. Let's open another up trade. We have a good entry point here. Since I didn't find a down trade, let's highlight the working area. We have the same thing going on here, touching the lower moving line of our channel. This support area is being touched. There are price bounces at this price level, and also further on we are again seeing an exit from the oversold area on our oscillator. So in our case, the trade here is open on the upside. Let's watch the result of the trade. And our second trade is absolutely just as easy to close in the plus. We open the trade on the same principle and emphasize our result of opening on the upside. In general, I'm going to look for a downside entry now to show you how this strategy works. So, to say in all its pictures, in general, yes, let's go ahead and pick up the next currency pair. And here we open a trade on the downside. Here, mind you, it's exactly the same principle of entry, and we don't even have a perfect touch point here. So yes, we open a little bit at the wrong level, because we did not have time to fix the price. In general, there is also a good area of resistance here, yes, touching the upper moving line of our channel, and also coming out of the overbought area we will be watching. That is the oscillator crossing the moving oscillator from top to bottom. Let's watch the result. And also another trade we have closed in the plus. We see that we have updated the fractal, the local maximum and when to pull back me, actually on which we played back and closed the deal in the plus. Let's pick up the next currency and consider some other entry into the trade. Let's reopen a trade here on the upside. We also have a good touch point. I'll explain one thing you to know. We have a new local low forming right now, and we had a breakout of the support area for this price corridor. We have a new local low forming. We have our channel indicator touching the lower moving average. And we also see that our oscillator's moving average should also touch the lower moving average, turn around and go up according to the pattern of this strategy. We have about 15 seconds left. Let's observe the result. And we have the trade closes in plus again. Very easy and very simple. As you can observe, friends, let's change the amount of the trade value. Let's set it to 575 and open two arrows for the amount of $575 each. Let's proceed without picking also the following currency pair. Let's open two trades here on the downside. I think a relatively good entry point. We have a breakdown of the resistance area. We will expect a pullback. Let's highlight the breakout area. We understand that we have a breakout area. The price has gone a little bit higher, and the candle showed us also touching the upper moving line. And so we will expect a pullback after updating the local high. We will also observe an exit from the overbought area on the dynamics. Let's watch the result. And the next trades are closed in plus without any problems. We have got a proper pullback with the upward dynamics. As I said, this strategy can afford to open trades as against the trend and on the trend. So in flat dynamics, so use it. The strategy is super versatile. Let's open two trades for the amount of $2,000 and choose the following currency pair. Here we are going to open two down trades. We can see the crossing is happening now of the moving line on the overbought area. So we open here against the trend. Again, good entry point. Also, all the rules entry is in place. Touching the upper moving line, updating on the fractal of the local high. And here we have got a good crossing of the moving line of the overbought area, yes. So we reopen after the trend into the correction. We have about 20 seconds left to complete the trades. Let's watch the results. And the next trade are also closed in plus without any problems. Let's consolidate the result. I think it's necessary to open trade for the amount of $3,900. Let's open 3 trades for the amount of $3,000 and 1 trade for the amount of $1,900. Sorry. Let's continue our trading. Let's pick the final currency pair, and I think on the future result we can fix our profit. Let's start analyzing.
If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners.
And on this currency pair we will open our closing trades. A good touch point. We will see an exit from the overbought area on our oscillator. In general, we see that the price dynamics we are going lower. The price does not cross this breakout level, the dynamics is going down. Here, in some case, we open according to the trend. After the price pullback, we touch the upper slide in our channel indicator, updating on the fractal of the local maximum, and exit from the overbought area on our oscillator. We have about 10-15 seconds left to complete the trade. Let's observe our result. And the final trade are closing in the plus without any problem again. We have $7,000 on the balance. We started with $100, guys. Not a bad result for today. Let's go to the exit and lock in our profit. Let's choose a wallet. We'll have $7,100. And our operation is successfully executed. Today we have such an interesting trade using a super simple and easy strategy. Yes, let me remind you once again, the main point is touching the upper or lower sliding, updating the local high and low and getting out of the oversold or overbought area, depending on which way you open the trade. It's very simple, and in general, from today's result, I'm satisfied. So guys, write your comments. What do you think about this strategy? Be sure to give this video a like. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Morgan Options, and also subscribe to my Telegram channel. So guys, good luck on trading. Bye bye.